Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Option is grayed out. I tried to make a purchase on PUBG PC game and to make that overlay is needed. So I tried to turn it on, but this option is grayed out. Let's fix this problem, guys. Select the Steam option on the top and select settings and go to in game and enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it on and then just close stuff here and right click on the game and select properties, and you can able to turn on the enable Steam overlay while in game option now and select the play option, and you can able to see overlay pops up in game. I show you guys, and as you can see, access Steam future from the overlay while playing. Actually we turned on the overlay, and I just try to buy this. Select the upgrade to premium, any make any purchase, and as you can see, select the confirm option and the payment will be loads up using the Steam, as you can see. And now you can make purchase any of it, guys. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.